When you begin eating chicken, it enters the mouth and moves precisely through the body's internal system. Here we see the body from the inside, organs, muscles, and nerves preparing to interact with every bite. The chicken travels down to the stomach, where proteins mix with digestive acids in a complex and fascinating process. Inside the intestines, amino acids are absorbed, and nutrients begin flowing into the bloodstream. Proteins spread throughout the body, fueling muscles and supporting vital organs. In the brain, nutrients from chicken boost neural activity and support better focus. Muscle fibers absorb protein, becoming stronger and more capable of physical performance. Chicken helps improve digestive movement and maintain a balanced, healthy gut. Energy levels rise, giving the body more vitality and improved physical readiness. But in some cases, chicken can cause stomach irritation or allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. In the end, chicken remains a powerful source of nourishment when consumed properly and in moderation. Now we will move on to talk about eggs and how the body reacts the moment you consume them. Here, we observe the human body from the inside, organs, muscles, and nerves, preparing to receive the nutrients. As the eggs reach the stomach, they blend with strong digestive acids in a highly detailed biological process. Inside the stomach, proteins begin to break down into smaller components ready for absorption. In the intestines, amino acids from the eggs pass through the intestinal walls into the bloodstream. These nutrients spread across the entire body, fueling organs, muscles, and vital systems. In the brain, choline and amino acids from eggs support neural activity and enhance mental focus. Muscle fibers absorb the protein, increasing strength, endurance, and faster recovery. The digestive system benefits as well, supporting a balanced microbiome and smooth movement. Energy levels rise as the body converts egg nutrients into stable, long-lasting fuel. However, eggs may cause stomach irritation for some individuals, especially when consumed excessively. In rare cases, eggs can trigger skin allergies, mild redness, or inflammatory reactions. And so, eggs remain a powerful food, offering strength and energy when consumed properly and in moderation.